Yo, you guys, so it's Badger here, and today we've got this kid's tablet from DronePad. It's a 70K 710 or 701 version, and it's a little smaller than the other kid's tablet we had on this channel before. That's why I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. Let's see if we can get it out of the box. Down here is just a bunch of goodies, we're just gonna throw them to the side, whatever. And here comes the tablet. So this is the tablet. You can see it has like some silicone around, so you can drop that. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. And it has bigger corners because that's mostly where it falls on. Then we got a backside with a little stand as well. So that's kind of neat. It looks kind of like a baby toy though. Not gonna lie. Whatever. As I said, the corners are pretty massive. I'm gonna protect here. Then there's a camera as well, speakers, and you could remove the tablet as well. It's just a really tiny, small tablet here. Pull that out. Now you can have a look. Yeah, it's really light. Not gonna lie. So definitely something kids can use and pick up and get comfortable with. And yeah, I don't know. Interesting one. Let's turn that on though. We just leave it out here while we have a look. It's based on Android. Um, and Arrow 20 or 0, whatever that is. So let's boot that up and set it up really quick so we can have a look at colors and all that. So material wise, it's made solidly. I don't see any flaws or something. Volume buttons, power buttons, all that's here. And now we're good to go. Here we are. Gonna rush through the basic Android setup. Let's not waste time. Come on, just a second. Let's go. No Wi-Fi needed for now, so we skip. And just another second. Okay. Google services, sure, Google, go ahead. You can do whatever you want for this video. No screen lock needed, so we skip that as well. And then I think we should get to the home screen, right? Or is there another step I forgot about? I don't think so. Oh gosh. Come on. Well, let's have another look here. So, I don't know. It seems pretty solid. Not gonna lie. It's gonna protect for some of the faults for sure. Okay, apparently it takes longer than I thought it would. Oh, there we are. Oh wow. Really nice colors here. Um, Vibrant for sure. But okay, there we are. We have a basic layout for Android, even though it looks a little different. As you can see, there's like volume down there um, in our bottom corner. And then there's also less movement because apparently it is actually made for kids. It's not just a tablet that they throw in a slab and call it kids tablet. So that's kind of exciting. Yeah, and I like the intensity, I like the brightness, that's all good. It is fluent enough. I mean, it could be a little faster, but for the pricing, definitely you can't expect much more than this. So, yeah, if you're looking for a little present or tablet to get your kids started, this is definitely a choice you could take or choose. And yeah, I don't know. I can't say much more than that, so I will see you in the next one.